Alright guys, how's it going? So I'm going to be completely honest here. This will not be the most sexiest Blender video that you will ever watch. But that's kind of one of the drawbacks when you're learning the fundamentals and the basics of any application. So today I'm actually going to concentrate on tabs and panels, specifically orientated around the property panel here on the right hand side. Now, just to blow your mind, if we come down to an empty space, we right click, you can flip the bar to the right, pick your jaw up off the floor. So again, hover over, right click, and I'll flip it back to the left. Now most users will generally click through the properties, just like myself, but what you can actually do is, if you hold in Control, middle mouse, you can scroll through these very quickly. And that just saves you a couple of seconds, and it's a nice functionality. If you press Control and Tab, you can quickly tab through these properties. If you press Control Shift and slightly break your fingers and press Tab, that'll go up the way. So Control and Tab to go down, Control Shift and Tab to go up. So let's say for example, you're a bit like myself, you've been looking at a computer screen for years. If you hold in Control, hold in the middle mouse button, you'll see two little white arrows, and if we push this up, we can quickly scale the UI. So we can make it even smaller if you've got really good eyesight, and if you want to reset it, we can quickly press the home key. Very easy. Now most users I know generally have all these tabs opened. If you hold in the left mouse button and scroll down, you can actually open them very quickly, so you don't need to click. But if you hover over something, for example like relations, and press the A key, that'll expand and it'll collapse. So just by pressing A, I can quickly do something like this. But let's say I want all these closed and I only want to concentrate on transform. If I press Control, left mouse and click, it'll close all the rest of the tabs and it'll only leave what I clicked on. So just to give you another example, let's say I just want to concentrate on relation, Control, left mouse button, and it'll only keep relation open. So one thing you can actually do is pin properties. So let's say I only want the modifier properties here, I can quickly pin it and it'll give me this. Now if I want to open another one, I can left click and drag out, I can quickly open up another properties. Let's say I want something like the scene or the view layer, and I can pin that as well. And this is a great way to start quickly building up your own UI. So just to give you another example of pinning, let's say I press N to open up the property panel on the right hand side, and we have transform. If I right click here, I can actually pin it as well. So no matter what tool I actually scroll through, transform will always be in top. And keep in mind, these kind of little dots here, we can easily move things up and down. So maybe I want to swap the rotation. And that's pretty much the basics of tabs and panels. I know it's pretty fundamental and basic stuff, but if you start getting into a kind of quicker workflow, your life generally does become easier. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, it costs you absolutely nothing. Follow me on Twitter, you know what to do. Peace.